How to change folder colors in Windows 7. I have a tons of folders in my Python directory and I would like to change the color of a couple of folders to red. Is this possible without installing additional software?
The default icon set in Windows is a little limited, but you can get free icons off the internet. I used Icon Finder. I downloaded this red folder as an experiment. You need to download the ICO file from that site. I recommend saving them in a directory somewhere away from the folders you are editing. Right-click the folder you want to customize and select Properties, and then click on the Customize tab. Click Change Icon, then you can browse through the window of the default icons, or click Browse and navigate to your downloaded icons and select the one you want. Then click OK and click Apply on the Properties dialog box. Your folder will have now changed to the one you chose. If you can't find any icons you like, you can make your own in Paint and save them as a 64 by 64 GIF, then change the suffix to ICO. If you want to change back to the default icon, you can go to the Icon Chooser dialog, second picture, and click Restore Defaults. This will return the folder to the Windows default folder icon.
You can use PowerShell. I wrote this script that generates an icon of the color you specify and sets it as the icon of a given folder. The second line is a base 64 encoding of the grayscale version of this image from Borghi's answer. The script recolors the image using this algorithm, then makes an echo using a translation of this code. Finally, it saves that echo into the folder, writes an appropriate desktop.ini, sets those files hidden so they don't get in your way, and marks the folder read-only, which is the flag that lets Explorer know to look for a desktop.ini. To run it, first follow the instructions in the Enabling Scripts section of the PowerShell tag wiki. Save that script as a PS1 file, like foldercolor.ps1. Then you can run it in a PowerShell prompt. The first three arguments are the red, green, and blue values for the color. The fourth is the target folder. The directory gets a nice pink folder icon. Explorer may take a while to update, but it should definitely be showing after a logon/logoff cycle. Note, PowerShell might print an error about method invocation failing, but this is non-fatal. For some reason, Binary Writer won't dispose on Windows 7, but it does on Windows 10. If you want to remove the error, just delete the line that ends with $_.dispose. There will be a memory leak, but that doesn't matter too much since you'll probably just close PowerShell anyway.
Change the icon for a folder. Right-click the folder and click Properties. Select the Customize tab. Click the Change Icon button. Select an existing icon or browse to find a different file. Click OK twice to confirm. Note: while you can't specifically change the color, you can likely find colored folder icons online or create your own. Change the icon of the file in the folder icon. Right-click the folder and click Properties. Select the Customize tab. Click the Choose File button. Select an image. Click OK twice to confirm. Note: for a solid colored background, simply create an image in MS Paint of that color.
I use a program Zyplorer as a file manager, especially for projects like this. It has numerous built-in features including the ability to add color coding to entries shown in the list pane, color, bold, and boasts subtrees in the tree pane, and automatic rules for color coding the list. I also have cases where a special item or two are given a distinct appearance. But I also use auto coloring based on time. It also has filtering abilities of various kinds, to help manage huge trees like that. If you're really using the GUI File Explorer, you ought to look into getting one that's more feature-rich than the Explorer that comes with Windows.
If you want to support the channel,